If you sell digital products, you face two big risks: client lawsuits over your work and claims from things like copy infringement or advertising mistakes. The easiest ways to cover both: bundle general liability and professional liability in one Next insurance plan. Let me show you how. Go to nextinsurance.com and click Get Instant Quote. Choose your business type. For most of you, that's digital products or online business. Fill in your name, contact info, and location. When you reach the coverage selection page, select both boxes. General liability protects you from claims like copyright, trademark infringement, advertising injury, or reputational damage. Professional liability covers you if a client claims your work caused them financial loss due to mistakes or missed deadlines. You'll see your combined premium instantly. Adjust your coverage limits for each type to fit your business size and risk level. Review the bundle details. Click Buy Now to activate your bundled coverage immediately. Your proof of insurance will be available right away. Bundling saves you money and makes sure you're protected from both everyday risks and client disputes, all in one easy policy. And if you're creating PDFs, templates, or ebooks, pair that coverage with PDF farming. It automates your design, sales, and delivery so you can focus on growth while staying fully protected. Check Next Insurance and PDF farming through the links below. Bundle your coverage today, protect your business, and keep selling with total peace of mind.